स्किल, स्केल एंड स्पीड। बहुत बड़े स्केल पर सोचने की आदत देश में खड़ी करनी होगी और उसको पूरा करने की आदत बनानी।
Under the charismatic leadership of Honorable PM Narendra Modi and his visionary initiatives like the Digital India, Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat programs, India has witnessed an unprecedented growth in the electronics manufacturing in the last 5 years.
I really look forward to an amazing growth of electronic manufacturing in India, not just in terms of the overall volume, but also in terms of the entire range being catered to in different parts of the country.
With tax reductions and radical changes in laws pertaining to company registration, labour and dispute resolution, the country has witnessed a considerable improvement in ease of doing business. Due to this, India aims to become a $400 billion electronic manufacturing industry by 2025. Efforts of industry and proactive approach of the government have brought about an enormous growth in past 5 years. The domestic electronics production that was $29 billion in 2014-15 has grown to $70 billion in 2019-20 at an annual compound rate of about 25%. The export of electronic goods has also increased substantially from $6.4 billion in 2017-18 to $8.8 billion in 2018-19, registering a growth of over 38%. This has enhanced India's share in global electronics manufacturing from 1.3% in 2012 to 3% in 2018. India has emerged as world's second largest manufacturer of mobile phones in the world. The mobile phone production has gone up from 60 million units in 2014-15 to 330 million units in 2019-20. The number of units involved in manufacture of mobile phones and their sub-assembly parts from 2 in 2014 to 200 units in 2019. Production of other electronic goods has also gone up significantly. The manufacturing of LCD LED TVs in India has grown from 8 million units in 2016-17 to 12.5 million units in 2019-20. And today, 38 units are producing LCD LED TVs in the country. The National Policy of Electronics 2019, through its trilogy of schemes, aims at positioning India as a global hub of electronic system design and manufacture. Production-linked incentive scheme with an outlay of $6 billion will provide 4 to 6% incentives in incremental sales for the goods manufactured in India. The scheme will attract large-scale investment in mobile phone manufacturing and specified components including ATMP units. The scheme for promotion of manufacturing of electronic components and semiconductors, with an outlay of $500 million, shall provide a financial incentive of 25% on capital expenditure that will be given for the components that comprise the downstream value chain of electronic products. Modified Electronics Manufacturing Cluster Scheme 2.0, worth $550 million, shall provide a financial assistance of 50% of the project cost for setting up of EMCs and CFCs with plug-and-play infrastructure. Come and be a part of mega electronic revolution in India, which provides a huge growth potential and an opportunity to thrive.